Salvete omnes. This is Abbey Latin Liber Primus. Review 4, chapters 13 through 16. This is Morphology, exercise E. We are to decline the following noun-adjective pairs. Paying special, strict, careful, and close attention to how the noun declines versus to how the adjective declines, keeping also in mind that the adjective must agree with the noun in gender, number, and in case, all three, in order to modify that noun. So a bold knight, a horseman, a dude on a horse, who is bold? That would be an eques, equitus masculine, and then the adjective bold, daring, audacious, audax, audacis. So an eques, audax. Eques, equitus masculine, a third declension. It is not an I stem. It will have third declension endings. Blank, is, a. Es, ibus, es, ibus. Audax being a third declension adjective, one termination. In the dictionary it says audax, audacis. So audax is the nominative, audacis is the genitive. The stem is audac. You chop the is off of the genitive to get the stem audac. And then it declines like a third declension masculine. Blank, is, I stem I, so audaci. Es, I stem, ibus, es, ibus. So it will look quite similar to eques. Not the same, but similar. So eques, audax. Equitus, audacis. Equity, audaci. Equitem, audacem. Equite, audaci. Equites, audaces. Equitum, audacium. Equitibus, audacibus. Equites, audaces. Equitibus, audacibus. Optime. Very well done. How about a sad brother? Oh, what's the matter? Sad brother. A brother who is sad. So a brother, a frater, fratris masculine who is tristis, triste. So a frater, tristis, sad brother. Frater being a third declension, frater, fratris masculine. Third declension masculine, blank, is, a. Es, ibus, es, ibus. And then tristis, triste, being a third declension adjective. It's a two termination. Tristis, and then the triste would be the neuter. We want the tristis because it agrees with the masculine frater. So tristis, and then it will follow third declension masculine. Is, I stem I. Es, ibus, es, ibus. So you get frater tristis, fratris tristis, and the stem for frater is fratra. So fratri tristi, fratrem tristem, fratre tristi, fratre tristi, fratres tristes, fratrum tristium, fratribus tristibus, fratres tristes, and fratribus tristibus. No, how sad. A powerful goddess, a goddess which is powerful, powerful goddess. A goddess is a dea, feminine. Keep in mind the dative and ablative plural of this first declension noun the ending is abus to distinguish it from its masculine counterpart, deus e masculine. And then powerful is potens potentis, a third declension, one termination adjective. So potens is the nominative, potentis would be the genitive, a dea potens. So dea will decline like a first declension feminine noun, and potens like a third declension feminine noun. So macron, I, autumn, is, as, is. And then potens will go like blank, is, I stem, I, es, ibus, es, ibus. Dea potens, dei potentis, dei potenti, deam potentem, dea potenti, dei potentes, dearum potentium, deabus potentibus, deas potentes, deabus potentibus. Optime. A brief journey, a journey which is short, brief, non est longum. Remember that journey, iter, itineris, neuter, being neuter, we will then want the neuter form of brief, brevis, breve. So iter breve, should say breve, iter breve. So iter itineris, we have iter breve with an E, B-R-E-V-E. So itineris brevis, we have itineri brevi, accusative iter breve, and then itinere brevi. Plural itinera brevia, itinerum brevium, itineribus brevibus, itinera brevia, and itineribus brevibus. Both are third declension, and we want neuter for both. Iter breve. Optime, a harsh sea. A harsh sea, a sea which is harsh. So a mare, maris, neuter, sea, and then the adjective harsh, bitter, sharp, like acrid, acer, acris, acre, a third declension, three termination, acer, masculine, acris, feminine, acre, neuter. Because sea, mare, maris, neuter, we want the neuter form of the adjective acer, acris, acre. So it's acre. Mare, acre. The nominative mare, then maris, acre, and it will decline like a third declension neuter. So acris. So both will have blank, is, e, same as nominative, and then because mare is an I stem, both will have the letter I for the ablative. Then both will have ia, ium, ibus, ia, ibus. So we'll have mare acre, maris acris, mari acri, mare acre, mari acri, maria acria, marium acrium, maribus acribus, maria acria, maribus acribus. Optime, and a heavy cart. Not a light cart, but a heavy cart. So cart is a carrus e masculine wagon. And then heavy, that's heavy, man. Gravis, grave. So carrus gravis, a heavy cart. So the nominative carrus and then gravis. Carrus, e masculine. Carrus, cari is a second declension masculine. Us, e, o, o. E, orum, is, os, is. And then gravis, gravis the adjective, gravis, like a third declension. Blank is, e, m, I stem, I. Es, eum, ibus, es, ibus. So carrus gravis, cari gravis, carro gravi, carum gravem, carro gravi, cari graves, carorum gravium, caris gravibus, carros graves, and caris gravibus. Optime, very well done. That concludes Morphology Exercise E of Review 4, Chapters 13 through 16. You are now ready to move on to Morphology Exercise F. Volete omnes.